Screen, unveiled. Multiple meanings in English. Hello, wonderful language learners. Today, we're diving into the versatile word, screen. It's a word you'll encounter in many situations, from movies to technology to even health. By the end of this video, you'll master the different meanings and uses of screen. Let's get started. Screen can primarily be understood as a noun in English, and it has multiple interpretations. 1. Electronic display. This is what you might be watching this video on. Examples include computer screens, phone screens, and television screens. Example sentence: my phone screen cracked when I dropped it. 2. Barrier or partition. This can be a movable or fixed device, especially one to give shelter, or provide concealment, or to divide a room. For example, a fireplace screen or a room divider. Example sentence: she put up a decorative screen to divide the room into two. 3. Meshed material. It's used to keep out insects or other unwanted particles. You might have a screen door at home which allows air in but keeps the bugs out. Example sentence: make sure the window screen is fixed. We don't want mosquitoes coming in. 4. Projection surface. In theaters or during presentations, movies or slides are projected onto a large screen. Example sentence: let's sit closer to get a better view of the screen. The word screen isn't limited to being a noun. It also acts as a verb with its set of diverse meanings. 1. To show or project. It refers to displaying films or broadcasting TV shows. Example sentence: the film will be screened at 8 p.m. 2. To shield or protect. This is when something is used to hide or protect something or someone. Example sentence: the tall trees screen our house from the neighbors. 3. To examine or check. Often used in the context of testing or checking for something, especially in medical or security scenarios. Example sentence: all passengers are screened for prohibited items at the airport. English language also incorporates the word screen in various idiomatic expressions. 1. Behind the screen. This means to be in a hidden position. Example sentence: the actual decision makers are often behind the screen, not visible to the public. 2. Screen out. This means to remove or eliminate something. Example sentence: the filter will screen out all the impurities in the water. 3. On-screen and off-screen. Often used in the entertainment industry. On-screen refers to something happening in a movie or TV show, while off-screen is about real-life events outside of a production. Example sentence: they are enemies on-screen, but best friends off-screen. And there we have it. The word screen might seem simple, but as we've seen, it has a rich tapestry of meanings in the English language. I hope this video has shed light on its various interpretations and uses. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next English exploration.